Director General, fellow ministers, delegates. At the outset, let me extend my warmest greetings from Grenada, and let me place on record Grenada's appreciation to the OECS and the government of St. Lucia for hosting this important event. As small island developing states, we continue to face daunting threats and challenges, including economic instability due to our open economies, debilitating natural disasters, and environmental and social crises. Because we live in an island paradise, we don't always see it, but that doesn't mean the problem is not there. All the latest scientific reports and studies tell us we are in a biodiversity emergency. We are losing species at unprecedented rates due to non-sustainable practices, and this is systematically destroying the living systems we're dependent upon for our own survival. As we prepare for another active hurricane season, we are reminded that climate change is also having a catastrophic impact on small island developing states. Human activity is driving the increase in global greenhouse gas emissions, with resultant sea level rise, storm surges, ocean warming and acidification that spells doom for our biodiversity and our way of life. Add to this a global pandemic which has had crippling impacts on the lives and livelihoods of small island developing nations and indeed the planet as a whole. International Day for Biodiversity's theme engages us to be part of the solution for nature. As leaders, we have a unique opportunity to build forward better and more sustainably, to restore ecosystems and to ensure the goods and services they provide are maintained so that we can generate sustainable livelihoods today and for future generations. Now, we're tasked with seeking solutions to the pressing challenges, utilizing examples in nature. And there are many examples throughout history where nature has given us great ideas that we have used. From the design of birds' wings on the aerodynamics of flight, to seagrass beds for carbon capture and storage, to circular economies patterned off energy and food webs, I believe the solutions to our current pressing crisis lie in nature. We need to be innovative in our thinking and to use nature to solve some of the greatest challenges facing small island states and indeed the planet at this time. In conclusion, I challenge us to three things. First, let us be more creative and innovative in our thinking of how to use the examples all around us in nature to address the pressing issues we face, from plastic pollution to a circular economy, from greenhouse gas emissions to restoration for carbon capture and storage. Secondly, let us connect the dots more so we can support and promote innovation within the region. And thirdly, every individual has a right, no, a responsibility to be an agent for change. Let us be inspired by solutions in nature and look to transfer these ideas and observations in new ways to find solutions to our current crises. Nature has 4 billion years of experience, and we have the key to unlock these examples to tackle critical global issues we are now faced with. I thank you.